AI image and video generation has now become 100 times easier with the new Higgsfield AI MCP server for Claude. This new tool lobotomizes its competitors when it comes to AI and video generation. I've generated thousands of images on Higgsfield AI using all of the different models they have here, and that's one of the greatest parts about Higgsfield in general. They compile all of the different image generation tools into their platform for you, including all the recent AI video models. And I've generated hundreds of videos through Higgsfield. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up this MCP server for Claude Code, and then we'll walk through it together, generate some content, and I'll even show you some of the skills that I use personally if you stay till the end. Now, this is a brand new tool. There might be some hiccups, but you wanna visit higgsfield.ai/MCP and make sure that you have an account with Higgsfield. If you're new here and never have set up a Higgsfield account, you can start with a lower plan just to test it out. But today we're going to be setting it up for Claude. So I'm going to grab this link right here and boot open Claude and then just type in the MCP link and ask it to set it up for you. So it'll register the MCP to your settings within Claude Code. Once it actually pulls the MCP in, what we're going to do is come down, we're going to type in /clear, then you're going to type in /MCP, and what we should see is the Higgsfield user MCP right here. So click into that and we're gonna authenticate. And this part is super easy because all we gotta do is allow, it's authenticated, and we're connected. And just so you know, this is the first time I'm setting it up as well, but I've been using Higgsfield and Claude Code for a while. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. So if you've made it to this point, we're ready to actually walk through and use the tool itself. Now, before I walk through and actually use this, I wanna give you guys some quick game of the actual practical use cases of the Higgsfield MCP server. When it comes to AI video, you're capable of generating AI avatars, and you might be seeing people online creating those avatars, posting about the process, or the AI avatars themselves. Businesses are paying AI avatars to advertise their products, and the coolest part is using these tools, you can create the perfect videos for your business, for other people's businesses, and showcase any product and use it as ad material. This was one of the oldest medical spa videos that I created, but we can take a look at it.
Hey, Jill here, and welcome to Aura. Let me show you around.
Now, the models have definitely improved, but this is the type of content we could be creating for our clients and for ourselves. And I've actually used the image tools more often than not for different thumbnails for my Skool community, different types of logos. If you guys have seen any of the Claude Code characters in any of my content before, this is how I actually create them. But I was using the Nano Banana MCP because I could do it directly from Claude. But if I can use Higgsfield with my plan that I have with an MCP and Claude, that's my better bet because I have over 8,000 credits right now. YouTube thumbnails. I mean, seriously, this is a game changer. So what we're looking at right now is the brand context for my business, and I'm asking it to use the brand kit, generate a Seedance video for my agency. That's one of the video models that Higgsfield has access to. So I'm gonna do Shift Tab, go to plan mode, and I want it to give me some ideas of what we could do with the skills that we currently have. As promised, I'm gonna give you guys access to a repository later in this video that gives you access to all of the different skills for Seedance that I currently use. And they're actually listed right here: cinema, cartoon, fight, motion, e-commerce, all available for you. And as we could tell, it's actually referencing those skills right now. So motion design, brand story, cinematic. And what I'm actually thinking about is doing brand story. So we're gonna go with option 2. I'm just gonna stop that. So I'll take it out of plan mode and we'll go with option 2. So we can see that it invoked the skills, and you can have your own custom video or image skills if you'd like. There's a lot on the internet, but I've actually grabbed these directly from Higgsfield. And now that it's loaded, it gave out the hero cut. So it kind of laid out the title, the different scenes here with the descriptions and the script. It's telling me it wants to do a 16:9 hero and then maybe render a 9:16 short. So I'm gonna have it do both in parallel, and we'll just let that rock now. And while that's loading, I do wanna show you guys the Higgsfield skills that I have here. So if you come to my website, charlieautomates.com/free resources, or go to the Founders Toolkit, it'll be linked in the description below if you want the free assets. But go ahead, visit here and type in Higgsfield, and then you can see the different types of skills. It gives you an explanation, and you can grab this repo right here, Higgsfield Seedance 2, and this is where all the skills will be located for you. So you could just grab the repo, grab the link, give it to Claude, tell it to download it, and these skills are actually going to be quite useful for other video models as well. So be sure to grab this, guys. I've also created custom thumbnail packagers that actually create YouTube thumbnails for me. And this is a proprietary skill that I've created over time. It's actually a command, and we can see it's loading. So we'll give it some time before we come back to this. So it generated a 16:9 and a 9:16 version of the video that I'd like. And I'm just going to give you guys a disclaimer. If you're new to these tools, the AI videos are never going to come out perfect. That's why post-production is so important. Splicing up the videos into different scenes that'll actually fit what you're looking to produce. So we'll take a look at these. I'm sure you're going to say, oh, that doesn't look perfect, and that's all right. Now, I didn't like the numbers here. I don't think this one is usable, so we'd have to try it again. And now this is the 9:16. So I don't know what this shit is at the bottom. We can remove that. I like how it used this from my brand kit. That's actually what's at the top of my agency site. And I think the short was actually better. So all you'd have to do is download it. And if you don't like either of the videos, just download them, give them to Claude as reference, run the same skills. You could be in the same context window and have it create new ones. And as Claude learns about what you like and what you don't like, you can teach it, you can ask it to install new memories, and further iterate on the skills that are inside here that I've given you guys access to from Higgsfield. And if you want to create images, you can ask it to use the MCP server in the same way. Create an image using this skill. This is my proprietary skill. I want to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. I'm just going to show you guys an example for this transcript using Nano Banana and Seedream. There are different image models and video models, so you can discuss with Claude. Now it has the MCP server, and ask it about the models and maybe ask it which model is best for what I'm trying to do. But in this case, I've actually started editing the video that we're creating right now. I have part of the transcript, so I'm just going to feed it in here, and I'm going to see what it creates. And while this is loading, I want to talk about the most interesting reason why you would use this MCP server inside of Claude. Because if you've scaffolded out your Claude files correctly, there is a ton of context on you that you could be feeding directly into Higgsfield. And having to manually come into Higgsfield and prompt yourself is leaving it all up to you. And to expedite that, you could just chat with Claude and feed it the context files that are relevant to what you're looking to achieve. And to be honest, most people are using Claude Code incorrectly, and they don't have their files set up in a way that Claude can actually read. And the most powerful part of using Claude Code, you could say, is the AI model itself. But your output is only as good as your input. And without a proper file system, you're going to continue to get crappy output and not know why Claude is not following your rules and messing up everything that it does. And as I mentioned, on my website, I have a ton of free resources so that you can maximize your usage with Claude Code. But if you guys want to get direct access to me and hop on weekly calls, consider joining my Skool. And from now forward, I've discounted standard. So if you want to join, it's only $27. You gain access to all of my courses. And if you want to get access to the weekly calls where I can look at your file system and help you figure out what's going wrong, consider upgrading to premium. And this is not something I've spoken about yet, but I have developed Charlie OS. This is going to be a one-click AI command center for small to large business owners who really want to maximize their output using AI nowadays. And we're talking specifically Claude Code. This will download all the frameworks I use, all the specialized skills, bundled commands, and I've scaffolded out the Claude MD and the file structure for you. And the file is right here. You literally just click Start Here command and it downloads the entire system for you. If you want access to my personal setup, one-click installed, consider joining VIP. Everything the community has to offer for an entire year, plus the one-click install file. And the system will always belong to you. I just had another person sign up, so there's 7 spots left at this price before I increase to $49.97. So if you're interested, just click the Skool link in the description below. And now, as far as the thumbnail generation goes with this particular skill, it's going through some of the rules that I've applied here, and it gave me some different concepts. So here's concept A, concept B, and concept C. I'm just gonna have it generate one for each. And this is why I love MCP so much, because I'm just using my words. And the MCP you can think about like this if you're not familiar with what it actually means. It's basically a toolbox with all the different tools available. And inside of Higgsfield, they have all these different tools for different models. And you might have heard the term API. So we can consider the image model Nano Banana 2 and Seedream 4.5 as different tools in the toolbox. So the MCP toolbox has all the different tools, APIs inside, and using an AI model like Claude Code to look inside the toolbox and figure out which tools are going to be best exponentially increases your output and capacity using these different AI tools, because we're essentially using AI to be the brain that understands infinite amount of tools, and we are the orchestrators who are using our voices and our words to command the superintelligence. That's my TED Talk for this video, but as we could tell, it actually generated the images here. Okay, so that's image 1. And then we got image 2, and I should have been more specific because there was different concepts that it spoke about, and I said generate one for each, but that's the general idea, guys. And as far as this guy here, what I've done in the past is take images of myself with no background and ask it to regenerate the images with me as the person in the thumbnails instead of this guy. And you can opt into having your thumbnails or images without any person inside of it. Sometimes it's harder because if you have an image of yourself, it might alter you. So like with the videos, it's a bit of playing around until you get what you want. But as a whole, guys, that is how you're going to be able to use the Higgsfield AI MCP server to create your images and videos at a moment's notice directly from your terminal. If you want access to some of the free resources, consider going to my website. If you want to go deeper with me on all things Claude Code, consider joining the Skool. And I have a ton of other YouTube videos that you guys can look through in order to master Claude Code. But if you guys got value from this video, please like the video and consider subscribing for more with notifications turned on, because I do about 1 to 2 videos like this every single week on my YouTube channel for all things Claude Code, templates, guides, MCP servers, everything included. And that's enough sauce for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.